Chris, I'm Ambrose. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
That, and that.
Shit, I'll check them all out. This, and that one. Fuck it.
Candle light wasn't on.
Uh-huh.
And I heard a light tick.
Okay.
Like maybe lifter or something.
Right.
And then after that, a knock sensor code came on.
Oh,
So I don't know if that would be for
You know the last time you changed the oil?
not too long ago.
Not too long.
Like 3 months ago.
3 months?
There it is right there.
Usually, how long do you go mile-wise before you change it? The oil.
30,000 miles really.
30,000, you said?
The fucking shit cracked in it, so I cleaned it out.
Uh-huh.
And one of the rollers was missing in the engine, so I took this shit out. And we just been riding on it since, and it hasn't ticked or nothing, right?
Broke off in there. It advanced your timing. Just actually replace the whole piece internally and just re-time it.
Yeah.
And